Hello everyone, my name is Rupali Shukla and welcome back to another YouTube video. This video is not like every other video that I make. Usually the videos that I make, usme I'm teaching something, I'm educating something, or there's a topic around which I'm making content, right? But this video is a little bit different. This video is about human emotions, human feelings, and something that some of us go through in life. That is the feeling of helplessness when you are seeing someone you care for, you admire, making a wrong choice. I know some of you might have been there in this place जहाँ पर आप देख रहे हो उस इंसान को that person is not making a right choice. They are making a wrong choice. They are enrolling into something that's gonna end really, really bad. But you are just standing there like a spectator. You cannot do anything. You want to save them because some of us have that savior complex in us. Whenever we see someone making a wrong choice or a wrong decision, हमारा पहला instinct होता है I want to save this person. I don't know whether it is right thing to do or not. But this is also one of the human feelings that some of us go through. We don't want the people we care for to make wrong choices, right? But कभी कभी क्या होता है ना that we cannot decide for them. And that feeling is very overwhelming, I would say. आपको नहीं पता what you should do in that particular situation where one part of your brain, one part of your heart is saying you want to save that person, but logically you know that you cannot do anything. Even if you go and directly tell them not to make that particular choice, they won't understand because they are a different human being. They have different beliefs, they have different experience, and their decision making skills are different than yours. You might be knowing certain things, they might not be knowing. And if you will just go and make decision for them, you might even upset them. Things between you two might go south, right? So this feeling is very weird, very difficult, and I would say it's when you will encounter such feeling for the very first time, you will be in dilemma, you will be in confusion, you will be having a lot of feelings, you will be having a lot of emotions, and you will be in a state where you don't know what to do. So yeah, if you are also someone watching this video and been there in such situations and conditions or circumstances, I get it. I completely get it. I understand how does it feel, and it's overwhelming for some of us. It's really, really hard to go through all those emotions, all those things, because you're seeing from your eyes. You know how it's gonna end, how it's gonna be if they make that particular choice. But again, your hands are tied. You cannot do anything to save them or to warn them. You cannot do anything. So how to tackle those situations? This is what I'm gonna talk about in this video. First thing is you have to acknowledge their autonomy. आपको समझना पड़ेगा कि वो इंसान अपने आप में एक व्यक्ति है एंड उसकी एक ऑटोनॉमी है. वो अपने डिसीजन, अपनी चॉइसेस लेने के लिए समर्थ है. Maybe you might think that particular thing is not a right choice because you have certain other perspective or beliefs or biases, whatever it is. So let that person make that choice. इससे क्या होगा ना, ये जो पर्सनल एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आपको अभी फील हो रही है दैट आई हैव टू सेव दैट पर्सन, इट इज़ माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी बिकॉज आई केयर फॉर देम, राइट, दैट विल रिड्यूस. थोड़ा आपको रिलैक्सेशन मिलेगा. यू विल बी लिटिल बिट रिलीव्ड कि दिस इज़ नॉट माई रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी, दैट अदर पर्सन इज़ एन इंडिविजुअल. उसकी एक पर्सनैलिटी है एंड दे आर फ्री टू मेक अ चॉइस, मेक अ डिसीजन. Second thing is you have to accept uncertainty. You are thinking that those choices that the other person is making will end up in a very, very wrong things. Okay. And शायद आपका सोचना सही भी हो. Okay. You have to understand कि sometimes what happen is लोग अपने experience से ही सीखते हैं. आप उन्हें कितना भी समझाने की कोशिश करो, they are not gonna understand. Once they will go through those experiences on their own, Even if after making wrong choices or some mistakes, they will learn from their own choices. So ये जो अनसर्टेनिटी का एक फैक्टर है उसको एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा कि भाई कुछ भी हो सकता है, वॉट एवर चॉइस यू आर मेकिंग, यू केयर फॉर दैट पर्सन, बट यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड सामने वाले को पहले तो अपन को ऑटोनॉमी देनी है कि भाई यू आर अ डिफरेंट पर्सन, यू कैन मेक योर ओन चॉइस. नंबर 2, अनसर्टेनिटी को खुद में तुम्हें एक्सेप्ट करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू कंट्रोल एवरीथिंग. यू हैव टू बी लाइक कि ठीक है, मे बी द थिंग माइट गो साउथ, द थिंग माइट गो रॉन्ग, बट ओके, let the other person have their own journey, their own life, their own way of living. उनको खुद एहसास होगा जो आप उन्हें समझाना चाहते हो, राइट? सो वो एक अनसर्टेनिटी को अपने आप में एक्सेप्ट करना है, सिर्फ खुद के लिए, नॉट फॉर द अदर पर्सन. थर्ड थिंग इज फोकस ऑन योर रोल. वॉट इज़ योर रोल इन देयर लाइफ? जस्ट प्ले दैट रोल. You don't have to worry about the outcome of the decision or the choices that individual is making. Maybe it's your brother, maybe it's your sister, or maybe it's someone, your friend, someone for whom you care. It could be anyone, okay? You just have to understand कि तुम्हारा क्या रोल है as an individual उस व्यक्ति की लाइफ में. Just offer your presence to them so that जब कुछ चीज़ें ख़राब भी हों उनकी लाइफ में, then you are there. Not to say कि मैंने तो पहले ही कहा था you are making a wrong choice, not for that. Just be present so that when they are going through something terrible, you are there to listen to them. Just focus on your role. That's it. And the final thing is take care of yourself. क्योंकि you cannot pour from an empty cup of tea. If you want to take care of the other person, if you want the other person to be best, if you have that savior complex, you cannot save anyone without taking care of yourself. तो अपना ख्याल पहले रखना है, because this feeling of helplessness, it's really a bad thing. It's not a very high vibration kind of thing. It's a very low kind of vibration, low energy. You will feel so drained, I cannot even explain in words how does it feel when you are helpless. You want to help someone and you cannot help them. You cannot tell them, you cannot guide them, and you cannot control the outcome as well, right? So this helplessness is way too much exhausting to our brain, to our body. So very important to take care of yourself. अगर तुम अपने उस भाई की, अपने उस दोस्त की, अपने उस फ्रेंड की मदद करना चाहते हो, you want to protect them, you want to be there for them when they are making a wrong decision or a wrong choice or enrolling themselves into something that will have a terrible outcome, you have to take care of yourself first. Because when you are good, when you are on a high vibrational state of your life, then only you can help the other person. So this is all that I want to say or talk about in this video. Just take care of yourself, and वो जो helplessness वाली जो feeling आपके अंदर आ रही है, you have to encounter it. I know it's a very pathetic feeling, it's a horrible feeling, but that's something that is in your control. And हम सिर्फ वही सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं जो हमारे कंट्रोल में है. आउटकम हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है, सामने वाले के डिसीजंस हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं हैं, सामने वाला क्या सोचता है, उसका क्या पर्सपेक्टिव है, ये हमारे कंट्रोल में नहीं है. बट वी केयर फॉर देम, राइट? वी वांट द गुड फॉर देम, राइट? सो व्हाट यू कैन डू, जस्ट टेक केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ, फोकस ऑन व्हाट रोल यू हैव इन देयर लाइफ, एंड उनकी ऑटोनॉमी को रिस्पेक्ट करो कि हाँ, वो इंसान अपने आप सीखेगा. थोड़ी अनसर्टेनिटी को भी एक्सेप्ट करना है, खुद वो इंसान सीखेगा अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस से, अपनी लाइफ के डिसीजन से. दैट्स इट. सी यू इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टिल देन, गुड बाय, टेक केयर.